hello to Kicking Asphalt. I'm Boo Carlisle. It is race day here at Hickory Speedway. Cars Tour Throwback race day. Got the number 44 Slim Jim ready to go tonight. So let's get started. 31 late model stocks here today. Gonna be a tough field for the number 44 Slim Jim tonight. Quick look at the Slim Jim car. Richard finishes up his work. All right, Jensen just went and draw. Tell us what we got, man.
Man, I think it's the best we've done all year, 22.
Whoa, 22. How many cars? Ain't but 31 cars. We'll be going at the end.
Yeah, we will.
Maybe you done do good luck charm.
That's better than Boo did.
Yeah, that's right. There was still a 2 in there, so I was a little bit nervous. So we just added another 2 to it.
Woo-hoo. All right, going out 22nd in qualifying today. Either with the Cars Tour late model stock or the street stock. We're using that SD20. Show them what you got, Richard. SD20.
SD20 right.
That,
Best cleaner in the world.
yeah, fix anything, even broken marriages.
Yeah.
Get you a look at these limited edition throwback shirts Jansen's got this weekend. The Door-Tech Hedgecock, Kicking Asphalt, GXS, Wrap Slim Jim. New sponsor for the week, M10 Consulting. Ashton getting it straight on there. Time has come for us to roll to qualifying, Tech. We got about 600 Slim Jims pass out in the autograph session. My mom and daddy showed up over here lying to Jansen.
Yeah, he got his throwback mustache.
He got his throwback mustache on, like he's gonna be in a 1980s porn.
Magnum PI.
Magnum PI, X-rated.
Magnum PI right over there.
Night Rider, if you will. Let's see what you got, Mama. Got the spotter guide. That way when Jansen's racing tonight, I can figure out who I'm mad at if they run into us. There we are, number 44, Slim Jim. Oh, check out all the throwbacks. How much they selling them for? $5?
$5 a piece.
Probably be able to buy them on the website next week. If y'all ain't able to make it out tonight, want to buy you one, check out Cars Tour social media.
Look out, you just got me a snow cone. You gonna give me a bite of it? You gonna feed it to me? I want you to feed it to me.
We'll go out qualifying tech 22nd, waiting on dude Brandon Willard to tell us when we can go get in line. We're just eating snow cones and Slim Jims, waiting, hoping it don't rain. Number 17, so we got 5 more to go. We got plenty of time to eat snow cones, Slim Jims, drink Yoo-Hoos. Fred got his big gulp, nothing in it, keeps sipping on. Headed to qualifying tech, finally called number 22. Roll across the scales. Get our sticker tires for the race as we roll through qualifying tech before we go across the scales for 138 laps. Limits.
No more four-wheeler for you. That's nothing to see to.
No. What are you gonna do? Can't drive a 4-wheeler no more.
Can't do nothing.
You can't do nothing, right?
Go in the stands and watch. If he had been out of the way, he should have. Trying to hit you in the head.
Get ready for qualifying. We'll take a look at our spotter Charlie Brown's outfit. Looks like straight out of 1987. Ended up qualifying 24th out of 33 cars for the 138 lap race. So got a long way to the front tonight, but long time to get there. So it's time for the autograph session now. Go pass out these 600 Slim Jims. Fred on Slim Jim giving out duty. Got a good crowd of folks out here ready to get some Slim Jims. Good line of folks lined up ready to come down. As long as they want Slim Jim, we got them. They want a Yoo-Hoo, out of luck. We're down to 6. Said he just came for the Slim Jim.
He just come for the Slim Jim. Braxton just come for the Slim Jim.
Got his Kicking Asphalt shirt on, ready to get him some Slim Jims. Fans starting to file in.
Cool around.
Getting a rain update right now. The more they talk about the rain coming, the more it seems to go away. Ashton, keep talking about the rain. It's supposed to have been rained all day, but we done made it this far.
I grabbed it and turned it back.
Whole family done made it here. Check out all the Slim Jim shirts. They everywhere. Fred got left out. About to get us on Pit Road TV, fellow YouTuber Landon Huffman doing an interview now, and then Lenny gonna come to me, see what we talking about. Pro race about to get started. They'll run 100 laps and be up to us. YouTuber Landon Huffman hanging out over here with us. We're just sitting and waiting, hoping it don't rain. While they run the pro race, Jansen gonna change his dark shield visor to his clear visor. 138 laps under the lights. Alright, man, getting your visor changed, rolling off 24th tonight, 138 laps. What's the plan look like?
Just trying to make up a few positions right on the start, and get some decent track position, just ride from then on hopefully, and just try to pick off positions as we go, and play the competition cautions right, hopefully get up towards the front.
Ain't one way to go, up.
That's it.
Caution's out and the meteorologist of all hit on pit road. It ain't looking promising right now. Pro's got like 5 laps to go, but don't look like 138 laps gonna be. Fred is full on meteorologist right now with Richard. East Tennessee and North Georgia meteorologist of the year. So if y'all can see it, but the vortex there at DW, Farrell Waltrip has, they seem to work. As soon as the pro race ended, even the lap it ended. Old skies opened up. Maybe we won't lose the track. All right, Richard, in the pouring rain, we gotta go move the car.
Gotta move the car, mud wrestling at 9.
Mud wrestling at 9, invitational only. The flood has came and ain't nobody up there pushing. We are getting pounded. We way back here in line somewhere. We took cover under somebody's trailer. Laid it down. We look goofy out there in the rain trying to push a car. Made it from one trailer to another trailer underneath, then we ran to the bathroom. There's a river running out of the tech shed. You go fishing over there.
No, that one right there.
That bottle way there.
Yeah.
And the power had went out with the big lightning strike. Fred made a run for it. No. See you, Fred. Come on up here, man. We finally made it to the trailer where there is power, because there ain't no power outside. That rain should cut out about 1 o'clock and we'll go racing. We made it to the trailer, watching the sky light up here at Hickory Speedway. Richard, what's the plan? I'm hearing 1 o'clock it blows out and we go racing, but we ain't got no power. What are we gonna do?
No power.
Nope.
Go by field.
We get flashlights and headlights, trackside.
Yep.
See what we can do.
Everybody line their cars up, turn their headlights on.
Die-hard batteries.
Right.
This is a throwback. We just throw them back when they didn't have power in the race.
Well, we're going to be fishing you'll be doing. It might be the little brown fish you'll be fishing for, so after it'll be flooded in a little bit.
There comes the lights. Well, it looks like it ain't gonna happen right now. Just word through text messages and stuff. I'm gonna get the truck, come down here and get what I got. See if we can't figure something out. We soaked anyway, so let's go grab some pickup. They got some of the cars moved over here to the front stretch. We just a little too deep in line when we got caught by the tsunami. All our friends down here in turn 1 and 2, they had to take higher water. Race cars and the trailers was getting flooded over there. Bottom line, be a little wet. Going through 1 and 2. Got a pretty good flood over there. Buddies over there flooded. As you can see, turn 1 and 2, this is up a line just a little bit. It's a little bit flooded down through here. So looks like it's gonna be next Friday night at 8 p.m. So they got weekly racing next Saturday. So 138 laps. I'll tell you more about the kicker. Jansen's going to Alaska tomorrow. So we'll talk more about that in a second. Trying to get everything loaded up now. At this point, don't even care about being wet. Old trickle behind us. Got to use these tires next Friday for the race, so got to get them off, get them in the trailer. Slim Jim 44 look good in the rain. Trying to be positive. They had to turn their tires in. Next Friday night's race. Get the bullet in the trailer. All right, man, we got rained out here. Hickory, we're flooded out here. Hickory, let's tell everybody what you got going on. You ain't gonna be able to make it back for the makeup race next Friday night.
Not gonna be able to make it back. Unfortunately, got a cruising going on, and we kind of missed schedule during the off season. So unfortunate. Try to find somebody around up to drive the thing for me. So kind of sucks. It's calling for rain next Friday too. So don't really look too promising next weekend either. So we'll see. We'll rebound. Kind of struggled a little bit in qualifying to find some speed, but hopefully rebound after this weekend and figure something out and get ready for race.
I had to put a wrap on the throwback, first throwback weekend. Part 2, I don't know if we're coming back or not. Well, that's gonna put a wrap on the very, very wet Cars Tour Throwback weekend. Not sure if coming back Friday. Jansen's going to Alaska, so y'all stay tuned to the social channels. We're gonna get the heck out of here. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.